Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Thinkorswim for day trading futures. First, you'll need to open a margin account and get futures trading approval. Make sure your account holds at least $1,500, which is a common minimum requirement. Once approved, log into Thinkorswim and head to the Trade tab. From there, select the Active Trader subtab to begin exploring futures contracts. Remember, futures trading does not have the pattern day trader rule, offering more flexibility. Next, let's customize your Thinkorswim workspace for optimal day trading. Utilize the flexible grid feature to design a layout that suits your style, perhaps with multiple charts. Integrate useful gadgets such as live news to stay informed and a watch list to monitor your chosen futures contracts. Crucially, set up the active trader for lightning-fast execution, enabling one-click order entry and activating the auto-send feature to streamline your trades. Now, let's dive into charting and order entry. Configure several charts with your preferred technical indicators, like moving averages and different timeframes to gain a comprehensive market view. Remember to enable extended hours trading on your charts. The active trader ladder is key for quick execution. You can place orders with a single click. Familiarize yourself with order types such as limit orders for specific prices, market orders for immediate execution, and stop orders for risk management. Finally, effective risk management and consistent practice are paramount. Before live trading, establish clear daily risk limits and calculate appropriate position sizes for every trade. Leverage the paper money simulator, which uses real-time market data, to practice your strategies without risking actual capital. This invaluable tool allows you to refine your approach. Regularly review your simulated trades to learn from both successes and mistakes, ensuring continuous improvement in your day trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.